Hi guys, we just boarded Enchantment of the Seas and we are about to enter the room number 8034. This is our first grand suite. Okay. Ooh. Tile. Oh, it's much bigger than a regular room. Wow.
Grand suite, here we come. Wow, already very cool. Definitely the biggest room we've ever been in. Apparently every light can be controlled here. So there's curtains, vanity, bar, sconces, ceiling with, I guess, make it as bright or as dim as you want. I kind of like that. It's like a control panel.
And temperature control, the old dial kind. This is nice. Okay, I'm gonna check out the closet area first. Closet with hangers. Okay, long space here. 2 drawers. Okay. Life jackets. Our robes are here. More hanging space. No drawers. And then double bar.
Lots of mirrors. Talk about checking, making sure you're looking presentable before you go out for whatever. You have one large full-length mirror. Like, we're gonna fill this up with like tchotchkes or drinks? I don't think so, but the thought is nice. And over in the bar area are, well, you know what, we'll do this way. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers here, another 4 drawers.
Ooh. Refrigerator. Okay. That feels pretty cool. Ooh, I'm used to getting this. The 6 waters. Look at this. This must be sweet water. This is sweet water. Any ice? Nope. Not yet. Wow. Double sinks. Woo! Yay. Okay. Obviously, toilet. That's, yep. I mean, is that a bottle? No. What is that? Is that a bottle cap opener in the bathroom? I've literally never needed that before. Okay. Okay. Trash can, 2 drawers. 2 shelves. Tissue and these. Four drawers. Another trash can and shelves. Wow, this is a lot of storage.
It was not until the next day that we realized the mirror over each sink also opened for additional storage.
And then a bathtub. So that is terrific. It's deep, nice sized bathtub for a ship. And we do have the different upgraded shampoos, body washes, and conditioners right there, not the one for all. And again, we've got the shower that comes off. It's very nice. And of course, for all your wet clothes, we have a clothesline.
Okay, good. Nice. Wow. Okay, I can live with this. Okay, what's next? Living room. Oh, this is nice. A letter from our concierge. Oh, and we can eat breakfast every day in Chop's Grill. Okay, and those are the times this week. Okay, cool. Wow, I've seen people doing that. I've just never done it.
Okay, I'm a sucker for modular couches. So I kind of like that. We have an L-shaped couch here. Could definitely see us both putting our feet up and relaxing, reading, or taking a nap. Like it. Nice chair. TV that we rarely use, but you never know. Glad it's here and swivels nicely. And over here's a little coffee station. But there's like some great Starbucks coffee and specialty coffee on different decks. So I don't know if Crystal will use this or not. I'm not going to use it.
Coffee, which I will not use this. Wow, another cavern of space.
All right, let's go to the bedroom. Nice, absolutely nice bed, typical size. But we've got the pillow top for the suites, so it'll be very interesting to try this out.
Yeah.
Okay, and they use marble. Like, I'd never seen this much marble in a room. So we've got marble here, sconces again. I'm guessing turn that on. Go over to the other side, and we have a makeup / workstation area. More storage. And the safe. Really nice. And look at this. We've got plugs. We've got plugs there. We've got plugs that... This ship was built in 1997, so there are plugs there I don't even know about. But there is an American 120 plug. Make that 3 over here by the bedside. And 2 European plugs. So that's 5 right over here. If you've got a CPAP, this would work out perfectly. You've got plenty of room to put it on and plenty of plugs. So that's terrific. Let me guess. Yep. Another sconce, light, announcement volume, which usually never works. We'll let you know. And your ship phone. Not bad. Oh.
And we have 2 drawers. A nightstand, another drawer. Okay, hair dryer is here. There they are. Mini bar? Oh, is that what the shelf is for? For your mini bar? In stateroom beverages order form. Wow. Water, soft drinks, energy drinks. Okay. I see you, Royal. Okay, so this looks like this opens. Okay, wait, this must turn on. Yes. And a mirror. They should have this in every room. Wow. And this is my side of the bed, so I'll be next to the vanity. So, yeah, so I guess they call this a 1-bedroom grand suite. So I guess that makes the bedroom. Okay. Now, piece de resistance. We have a bigger balcony than we've ever had with lounge chairs.
Oh, we got a boat coming by. This is the Port of Tampa, but better yet, I love it. This is the nicest, largest deck. Yeah, I could definitely spend a week out here in this grand suite out here. It's really, really nice. Wait, let's see what's over here. Grand suite gets a grand sized table. If you watched our last ship tour, I kind of made fun of the very little table out here. But this one we can actually put a tray on, and it's high enough that we can actually eat out here. So I'm very excited.
Yeah, this is nice. I'm excited. That's our room, guys.
So the bottom line is, yeah, I'll say it's a grand suite. I'm looking forward to having a lot of fun with Crystal and being here, enjoying this special, smaller, older, but really, really nice ship. We're also going to have more videos to make and to share with you. So I think the next one up over the next day or so is we are going to tour the entire ship and do a full ship tour for you and post that a little bit later on. And we'll do other videos also. So stay tuned. I'm pretty excited, and if you want to make sure you catch all of these videos, absolutely press that subscribe button, because you'll get notified and you'll get to see all the upcoming videos that we're going to post from Enchantment of the Seas and other cruises too. Take care.